Hi everyone, my name is Luisa Martinez and I'm here at Pet Wands in Naperville, Illinois off of Ogden Road. And I'm here with Jacqueline, the owner of Pet Wands, who will be telling us how her store differentiates from other pet stores in the area.
Hi, so I'm Jacqueline. We are a little bit different here at Pet Wands in Naperville. So our biggest differentiator is our food. So our food is slow cooked in small batches at lower temperatures versus mass produced food. So it is made every 45 to 60 days. It's super fresh for your pets. There's no corn, soy, wheat, no added byproducts or fillers in there. So your pet gets the most nutritional value for their skin and coat, their bellies, and their health.
Not only do they have the best food in the market for dogs in the area, but they also do amazing grooming. If you guys know me, you know I'm obsessed with my dog Booker and I just want the best for him. But I do not trust anyone else besides Pet Wands and Des, who does the grooming in the area. We're going to be doing a raffle where we're going to be giving $40 towards your next grooming appointment. So check out our bio to see how you're eligible to win the gift card.